Hi, Susan from Susan's Art and Junk Journaling. I used a gingerbread house box to make my cover. Loosely, I've got my two signatures in here. We've all seen covers made, so I didn't see the sense in showing you how I made it. I used freezer paper to adhere napkins onto a piece of paper. Little bit of lace here to make a pocket, a postcard I received in the mail, and this is a package of postcards that I got that you can color. I cut out the rabbit shape. This is a book page that I had painted with acrylic paints to make it look more springy. Glued on some lace. A little pocket in here. I'm going to work on adding these two signatures next. This looks, I think, pretty good as far as size goes. Thinking about using my eyelet maker to put an eyelet here and an eyelet in the back so I can make a closure for this. I'll think about it. Let me go ahead and sew in with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch these two signatures. There we go. Got the two signatures in. With the 3-hole pamphlet stitch, which I'm sure a lot of you have seen numerous times, but if you need me to do one, I will do a 3-hole pamphlet stitch for you. Next, I want to embellish. So let me choose what I need. This is what I've got to choose from. I've been working on all of this in ephemera for a year or more. I'm going to choose what I want to use, and then I'll show you this journal all loaded. Oh my gosh, this turned out so cute. And if you remember, it is just 2 signatures of 6 pages each. Finished dimension is about 9 inches by 6 inches, 22.5 centimeters, about 16 centimeters. But she's chunky, guys. Look at that. She's real chunky. For only 12 pages, this is really big. It's about 3 inches. (7.5 centimeters). Isn't she gorgeous? Oh, I am so pleased with how this turned out. Shall I open it and we'll see what's in store? I'm going to go through it just really quickly because this is going to take a long time, I think. This is an actual historic receipt from 1908. And this is from the same family as well. And this receipt as well is from 1907. You can tell that this background's from the same book. This is from the Gregg shorthand book. Decoupaged napkin. This is also from 1905. This is an authentic vintage receipt. I left some pages blank so I can add more. That's the end of the first signature. Look, Christmas in the springtime. Yep, I thought that was the thumb hole. No, it's not. It's just a half circle glued on. This is a pocket. This is a pocket. That's a pocket. And there's a side pocket here too. Pocket here, nothing in it right now. I'm really impressed with how much storage this little 2 6-page signatures, so 12 pages and 12 pockets. I'm impressed with how much she holds for being such few pages in it. I really hope you enjoyed that. I appreciate you if you're a subscriber, and if you're not, I would love it if you consider subscribing to my channel to help my channel grow. And if you could comment if you enjoyed this project. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy spring thoughts, everybody.